What I'm going to show to you today is a lesser known shortcut key which finds backwards. So suppose you have a list of numbers and you want to find the digit 1 in each of this selection. So you usually would press CTRL+F and then you want to find what? Number 1 or the digit 1. And each find next brings you the next cell which contains the digit 1. 101, 1000, 1100, etc. etc. Now suppose you want to go backwards. Want to go from not downwards but upwards. So you use the new shortcut CTRL+SHIFT+F4 and you can see for yourself that numbers or the searches go upwards. From 1000 the next one is supposed to be 101 and the previous one was supposed to be 21 and then 1 and then it goes back to the end and searches upwards again. 2100, 1800, 1700, 1600, etc. That's all. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my video. See you on my next one. Bye bye.